First of all, I'm Brother Peter Lansana Dao, the director of the St. Joseph Catholic Hospital in Monrovia, Liberia. Our hospital has been in existence since 1963. And since then, it has been of service to the people of this country during the war, during the Ebola, and now during the Corona crisis. We have done our part, and we have been very, very effective. We continue to do our services. Now, with the coming of Search for All into our hospital in the form of a surgical mission, we think this is an opportunity for which our patients who have been suffering from the chronic conditions they have been suffering to gain health through the surgical intervention that will be done by this team that is coming from Spain. And for Search for All, I think it will be an honor for them to know that their services will help to save the lives of many men who might be suffering from these conditions. Therefore, for us to be more sustainable, for us to be an institution that is very relevant to the population of Liberia, we will be very grateful if our doctors could be given the opportunity to be trained into the urological mission, so that they too, when they come, they'll be able to render these services. Now we have had 2 of our nurses who have gone to Spain, Valencia, where they were trained not only in being theater nurses, but also trained into how to handle urology cases in the hospital. Maybe Eliza and Thomas can speak to that effect, how their visit to Spain has helped them personally. But as a hospital, I think the training of Eliza and Thomas has helped to beef up the human resource gap that we had in the theater. Initially, we had only 1 scrub theater nurse, but with the coming of Eliza and Thomas, after being trained in Spain and Valencia, today the hospital is better managed, and the theater is well managed than before. Their training was necessary for the hospital and for the good of our services in this place, for which we thank Search for All for giving us that opportunity to send Eliza and Thomas to Valencia to be trained into this area. Well, I know it was a good experience for them, to people who have never traveled outside Monrovia, for them to go to Ivory Coast, go to Spain, and then following all the procedure there. You know, when I start with them, I know that they enjoyed their journey, and it was an exposure to them. Eliza and Thomas coming into the theater helped to change the dynamics of the operating theater room. Before, you could have 1 nurse working completely throughout, to the point that they get fatigued with the routine job. And so most often they are not motivated to come to work. But with Eliza coming, though they were working in the hospital, but in the wards, but with them coming out, it is like a new engine has been ignited into the life of the theater.